This is POCO X6 Pro, and today I'll show how you can insert a SIM card into this device. So to start, you will need to have your SIM card ready. You also gotta obtain either the injection tool, like this one, or just have some kind of needle that has the same diameter as this injection tool, so it will be able to be inserted into the small hole. So now take your phone, take off the phone case if you have any, then look at the bottom part of your phone frame on the left, or at the left from the USB charging port you'll find the SIM card slot. So take your injection tool, place it inside this hole like that, and then push it in. As you can see, once you do that, the SIM card tray slots right out. So, well, take it out completely. As you can see, it has 2 SIM card slots, so you can use 2 SIM cards with this phone, or even 3, I would assume, 2 physical SIM cards and 1 eSIM. So here, align your SIM card with the respective slot you would like to put it in, and then just return the SIM card tray back inside the phone. And well, that'll be pretty much it. Now the SIM card needs, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds up to a minute to initialize itself, and here you have it. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.